Stay out of there. Just smack her in the head with the shovel.
See, this is before the grass is cut. On Sunday, it's about 4 feet tall.
What are you doing? Huh?
Taking pictures of
what?
of the little. There they are. There's my babies.